There are literally millions of businesses in the United States, and they are as diverse as the people who run them. But there is one thing that they all have in common: data. It is the lifeblood of any business, regardless of its product or service. Therefore, it needs to be carefully managed and protected. Data loss, even on a small scale, can have serious consequences for a business. Every minute that your data is unavailable can result in lost revenue, customer dissatisfaction, and damage to your company's reputation, which is often very hard to repair. In some cases, particularly in heavily regulated industries, fines and penalties can result. Companies need to do everything they can to protect their data. That means creating safeguards to stop data loss before it can occur. And when a worst-case scenario does happen, you must have a clear roadmap to quickly restore lost data and be in a position to get back up and running as a business in the shortest amount of time possible. The first step in the process is to understand how data loss can occur. Many people are surprised to learn the facts. What would you think is the #1 cause of data loss? Computer viruses, software corruption, theft, natural disasters such as floods, hurricanes, or tornadoes? They are in the top causes, but they pale in comparison to other, more likely culprits. According to an independent study, hardware or software failure is the leading cause of data loss, followed by human error. Companies need to work diligently to guard against these types of occurrences. But knowing that data loss can and will occur despite our best efforts, you also must have a plan in place to deal with it. And that's where Managecast can help. Since the year 2000, we have been providing a comprehensive array of disaster recovery and business continuity services, designed to help companies get back up and running at full capacity as quickly as possible in the event of a disaster or system failure of any kind. Those services include cloud backup and recovery services, business continuity consulting, and recovery as a service. Let's take a look at how this combination of best-in-breed services works together for a complete disaster recovery business continuity solution. Managecast's cloud backup and recovery software is the industry's most efficient, agile, scalable, and cost-effective backup and recovery platform on the market today, helping organizations save time, money, and resources by automating routine tasks and ensuring that information can be accurately recovered when required. This is the same software used in more than 550,000 companies worldwide, including large multinational organizations like Toyota, the Red Cross, JetBlue, Coca-Cola, and Federal Express. Our solution can protect your data no matter where it resides: on an executive's smartphone, in your data center, and everything in between. Having this single platform means fewer resources and processes, less training, and less complexity. We protect your entire environment, no matter how diverse it is. And it's all managed from a single pane of glass, extremely low maintenance, simple to use, and with minimum setup and training. And since it is built in an agentless architecture, it is highly secure to hackers looking for open ports. Your data is encrypted in flight and at rest, according to your industry compliance standards. The best cloud backup service would be useless unless it can restore your data quickly and accurately. With our unique Restore to Cloud solution, we can take virtual server images provided through our cloud backup service and mount them to a virtual server infrastructure in Managecast's secure private cloud. So, when disaster does strike, you can quickly access your business-critical applications from the cloud, ensuring minimal interruption to your operations. That's a business continuity plan you can count on. And, as an added bonus, most organizations experience an average of 60% reduction in their DR budget with our solution. With a solid backup and recovery solution in place, the final piece of the business continuity process is to have a plan in place for your operational recovery in the event that your physical workplace is compromised. Managecast can assist you in developing a business contingency plan that includes establishing alternative office space, creating recovery time objectives and recovery point objectives, identifying key personnel and establishing a fail-safe plan for them to immediately be able to interact with each other, with key vendors, constituents, and customers. A crisis communication plan that will include a primary media contact where appropriate, emergency services, instructions for non-critical employees, and so forth. No matter what type of company you are, no matter how large or small, your ability to respond to a crisis by having a highly secured data backup and recovery plan, as well as an operational business continuity plan, will ultimately be the key to a fast and successful recovery at a minimum cost. Let Managecast be your partner in achieving that goal. For a free recoverability assessment, contact us at 513-735-6868 or sales@managecast.com.